Hi, this is Sean with Lux Landscape Lighting. I'd like to talk to you today about what you should look at when hiring a lighting contractor, because you have many options and there are many different types of landscape lighting contractors. Number one thing with any contractor, do they have liability insurance? Do they have workers' compensation? Those are the first things I would check for. Then the next thing is go online, look, see what kind of reviews they have. Do they have a good quantity of reviews with high rankings? If they got one or two reviews, it's really not enough to go on. And if there's a couple bad reviews, read the bad reviews. Sometimes things happen. It doesn't necessarily mean they're a bad contractor because they've got 3 bad reviews out of 100 reviews. Next thing you should ask them is, what is their experience? It's not something you can go to school for. You can't get a degree in landscape lighting, but they should have some background and some years in training and working in the field. Next thing you might want to look at is a lighting contractor that specializes in lighting. There are a lot of contractors out there that do lighting on the side, but they don't specialize in it. So I'd recommend getting someone that specializes and does lighting full time. Also ask about their warranties. That can vary as well. You should have a good labor warranty of at least a year. 2 years is preferable. And they should also back the manufacturer's warranty on all the fixtures and transformers and all the components of the system. Another thing that might be nice to ask of the contractor, do they have a list of specifications as to how they install the system so you can compare their installation techniques with other quotes that you are receiving? So simple questions. Feel free to ask any contractor that's bidding on your project to offer that information to you so you can make a good selection and have a system that'll last you many, many years.